Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled. If you wish to disable it, click on the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down to access Location section. Over here, and manage it by selecting this switcher next to Use Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!